In this video, we're going to talk about calculating percentages. This is something that you'll continue to do for the rest of your life as long as you're eating at restaurants, buying houses, doing measurements, calculating prices for various things. This is really useful. There's going to be a number of different methods that I use in solving these problems. Some of them will involve a calculator, but these first 6, I'm confident that you can learn the skills and the techniques to be able to do these in your head. But without further ado, let's get into number 1. We're asking for 25% of 80. Here's what my brain is jumping to. I know that 25% is the same thing as 1/4. 1/4 of 80 is actually fairly easy to calculate because 80 is a nice round multiple of 4. If I take 80 and divide it by 4, that gets me 20. And that's my answer. For number 2, it's asking for 10% of 50. 10% of 50. Here is a good little trick. 10% is easy to calculate. There's an imaginary decimal point right here. This is 50.0. And if I'm taking 10%, the only thing I need to do is move the decimal place 1 digit over. 10% of 50, because I'm just dividing by 10, is going to be 5.0. So 10% of 50, move the decimal, is 5.0. That's my answer. Number 3, 15% of 60. Kind of continuing off of number 2 here, I'm going to apply something similar. I know that 10% of 60 is equal to 6. Now, if 10% of 60 is 6, then 5% of 60 must be equal to 3, because it's just half of 6. Now, we're looking for 15%, and I know in 10 and 5%, I can just add these together, and now I know that 15% of 60 is equal to 9. It's easy as that. 30% of 75. Again, just kind of taking a continuation of this. If I know 10% of 75 is equal to 7.5, right? Because I'm just moving that decimal 1 space over. What I can do is I can do 30% is equal to 7.5 times 3. And what that gets me is 22.5. 30% of 75 is 22.5. 40% of 80 now. 40% of 80 now. This is just the same thing as number 4, but a little bit different number. I know that 10% of 80 is equal to 8. And so 40% must be equal to 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Number 6, we got 75% of 36. This, to me, is like number 1. 75% is a nice round fraction. 75% is 3 over 4. It's 3 over 4. What's 36 divided by 4? 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. But because I want 75% or 3/4 of it, I'm going to do 3 times 9 to get me 27. And there's how you take some basic percentages, but what if it's a little bit more complicated? I got 4 examples right here where I'm going to suggest that a calculator might be of benefit. So I happen to have just a scientific calculator here at my disposal, and I want to show you how we calculate these by hand. 12.5% is the same thing as 0.125 expressed as a decimal. And we know that because to go from a percent to a decimal, we just move the decimal place over 2 spaces. Now, the word of in math actually just means multiplication. So this is going to be 0.25 or 0.125 times 250. And we can put this into a calculator, no problem. I'm going to take 0.125 times 250, and that's going to get me 31.25. 31.25. And this process is just going to continue. We're going to move the decimal place over 2 spaces. So this becomes 0.038 times 80. Let's clear this. 0.038 times 80 gives us 3.04. 33% of 65 is just going to be 0.33 times 65, and we get 0.33 times 65 equals 21.45. And lastly, we have 4% of 25. This is going to be 0.04 times 25. Got 0.04 times 25 equal to 1. Oh, that's kind of fun. This is equal to 1. All right, and that is how you calculate percentages.